Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Joy to the world, jingle bells, Christmas.
No. Hindi.
Another one.
Pwede na yun.
Pwede na yun, guys naman. Ang
Ayun, saka.
Learning, putting more things on. Turning the heat up in the house. Oh, things to get warmer.
Very good.
Who's timing?
Time.
Yeah, that's correct.
Diba? No. It could be anything.
Okay,
Piano. Keep going.
I know, guys. We're helping. No coaching. No coaching.
Sige.
You already guessed it.
Keep going.
Pass, he passed. You can pass.
Pwede mo yung red card.
Sige.
Come on, just pass it. How long do they have?
What kind of instrument?
What's that? Too long.
Shut up.
What?
Shut up.
Piano.
Guys,
Two words. You just said
Huwag ka mag-display. Just say few examples.
give it
in the band?
Sige pa.
Keep saying.
Ilan na?
Instruments.
Yeah.
Instrument of.
Instruments.
No, not accepted.
Instrument of. Come on, Christine, explain.
Sige pa, Christine.
Give them clues.
2 words.
What do they
Time.
mean? What instruments? I don't know.
50 seconds.
When you're inclined in a certain way, you get to play these certain. You're.
10 seconds.
Oh my gosh, Mary, you're an idiot. How are you?
No.
Hey!
Time.
Musical
Time.